Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken pumpkin pasta bake. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 yellow onion cut in thin slices, a clove of garlic or 1/4 teaspoon of minced garlic, 18 ounces of pumpkin puree, that's about 2 cups, a cup of chicken broth, a cup of milk, a 1/4 cup of some kind of oil, vegetable, olive, whatever you like, a teaspoon of salt, a pinch of ground or fresh nutmeg, and then black pepper to taste. That is for the pumpkin sauce. Now, for the pasta, you need a pound of cooked pasta, whatever kind you like. I'm using the elbow macaroni, but you can use whatever you want. A pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast. So I'm going to use these little diced chickens. It's a pound and 6 ounces, and they're already diced, and I like that better, and they're pre-cooked, so it just makes everything a lot easier. I just like them. You can use boneless, skinless chicken breasts and shred them if you want. Then we're going to use 2 cups of Italian cheese, and then crumbled cooked bacon, or just real bacon bits. I'm using the 3-ounce little bacon bits here. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start by caramelizing our onions. So we're going to start by just melting our butter in a saucepan over medium-low heat. Okay, my butter has melted, so I went ahead and added my onions in there. We're just going to keep those in there over medium-low heat and just keep stirring them. It's going to probably take about 20 to 30 minutes before they become caramelized. Alright, my onions are doing good over here, so I am going to go ahead and make my sauce. So I'm going to puree the garlic, pumpkin, chicken broth, milk, olive oil, salt, nutmeg, and pepper in a blender right here until it is smooth. Alright, that looks good to me, so I am going to get to work on cooking my pasta. Alright, my onions are looking good. My sauce is ready to go. I'm getting my water boiled over here for my pasta. And at this time too, if you need to cook your chicken, go ahead and do that however you want. Just in a skillet with oil, whatever you want to do, just to get it all cooked up, unless you have the pre-cooked chicken like I do. Alright, my pasta has about 5 minutes left to cook, and my onions look really good, so I am going to add my sauce to my onions and let it heat through. Alright, my sauce is added, and like I said, I'm just going to let that heat up for about 5 minutes, just on simmer. Alright, everything is ready to go, so go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 and get out a 9x13 baking dish. Alright, now it is time to assemble everything. Preheat your oven to 350, and then in a large bowl, toss your cooked pasta, cooked chicken, bacon, your pumpkin sauce, and 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese, and then we'll transfer it to this 9x13 pan. I did not do that. I should have put mine in a bowl first. Alright, that looks and smells amazing. So we are going to top it with the rest of our cheese, and then we are going to grease some foil and put it over top so our cheese doesn't stick to it, and cook it for at least 15 to 20 minutes. I may do 30 since my chicken was still frozen. Alright, my cheese is on there. It's time to put the foil on and get her into the oven. Alright, my pasta bake is out of the oven, and it looks and smells amazing. We'll have to see what taste tester thinks. Hey, taste tester, have a little taste.
Dang, Nut Free Mom, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
So, yeah, like, subscribe.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.